Assalamualaikum and very good day to ladies and gentlemen. I am Umaymah binti Muhtar. My team with Nikaria binti Muhammad Nawi and Jaini bin Ahmad from Polytechnic Mercy, Malaysia will share our research about the fourth industrial revolution, potential of artificial intelligence technology in TVET education. As introduction, artificial intelligence (AI) is the study of devices that observe their environment and take actions that maximize their chance of success in achieving a particular goal. Generally, the term is used to describe how machines mimic human cognitive functions such as learning and problem solving. Kaplan and Helin 2019 defined AI as the ability of a system to correctly interpret external data, learn from that data, and use those insights to achieve specific goals and tasks through flexible adaptation. According to Poole and McWorth 2010, AI as the field concerned with the synthesis and analysis of intelligently acting computer agents. An agent is something or someone that acts is intelligent if, first, its actions are appropriate to its circumstance and goals. Second, it corresponds flexibly to changing environments and goals. Third, it learns from experience. And fourth, it makes appropriate decisions given its perceptual and computational limitations. There's a few examples of how we already use AI and the possibilities it offers. As such, some of smartphone or PC digital personal assistants, smart air conditioner, Internet of Things, autonomous cars, online shopping, smart farming, robots used in factories, web search, machine translations, cybersecurity, fighting disinformation, and optimizing products and sales paths. Let's see the problem statement. Ladies and gentlemen, AI, a radical concept developed by computer scientists in the 1950s, now has enormous applications in our daily life. It plays an important role in manufacturing, healthcare, finance, marketing, and many other areas. Companies and people around the world rely on machine learning, robotics, and artificial intelligence to improve their products, process, and customer experience. Low-skilled workers such as production workers could be affected as their work is slowly replaced by the use of robots or other digital computer systems. High-skilled workers for software systems development, artificial intelligence, designers, and programmers are urgently needed in the Industrial Revolution 4.0. We may no longer need a large workforce, but highly skilled workers will be in demand in the labor market now and in the future. The education system needs to be changed by familiarizing students from primary school to higher education with Industrial Revolution 4.0. Students must be given enough knowledge to develop technologies such as creating codes and algorithms and developing application systems, which can now be easily developed in primary school. If early exposure to technologies related to Industry 4.0 is possible and encouraged, we can create a skilled workforce that meets the demands of the markets. The Polytechnic is an institution of higher learning under the Ministry of Higher Education, which produces many semi-professionals. Okay, our objective first, to determine the level of students' knowledge of AI technology in vocational education. Second, to analyze students' attitudes towards AI technology in vocational education. And third, to make suggestions for further research. As methodology, The research was conducted by a quantitative and descriptive approach, descriptive through questionnaire distribution to respondents among the students in Polytechnic Mersing, Johor. A questionnaire is a research instrument that consists of a set of questions on a Likert scale which is analyzed to answer the question from respondents. Thus, the Likert scale typically provides 5 possible answers to a statement or questions that allows respondents to indicate their positive to negative strengths of agreement or strengths of feeling regarding the question or statement. To the domains that were studied. First, level of knowledge about AI among students. Second, level of attitude among AI among students. The findings and indication. In table 1.0, the analysis shows that the mean knowledge level is between 3.74 and 4.24. Item B6 and B7 have the highest mean score of 4.24. This means that students know more about the fact that AI technology requires careful planning because it involves high cost and offers good career opportunities in the future. However, the lowest mean value is found in item B4, which means that students have not used AI technology in learning process at 1 mile expert. Next, the statistic in table 2.0 shows that the mean score of attitude ranges from 4.10 to 4.24. This explains why AI technology assists students in the learning and teaching process. Therefore, lecturers should be aware of students' knowledge and attitudes to improve teaching quality by using a variety of attractive teaching strategies. In the meantime, the higher education system needs to provide adequate facilities for the role and achievement of TVET education to address the needs of Industrial 4.0 effectively. As a conclusion, these studies, however, do not reflect perfect results, but they are adequate as an initial platform for reviewing the teaching and learning process as a guide towards a more holistic assessment, and they are dependent on the level of target respondents. According to Halili, 2019, higher education institutions must continue to integrate innovative methods to strengthen the teaching and learning process and meet the demands of the Industrial Revolution 4.0 in education. Feng Hui 2020 said, vocational education should actively engage in innovative reform of teaching content and methods to adapt to the changing jobs, talent level, and quality of talent demand brought about by artificial intelligence. As students are more open to the use of technology, educators need to take a step forward. Malaysia needs to improve its education system so that it can be one of the most competitive countries in the world in line with the Industry 4.0 revolution. Malaysian Ministry of Education needs also to provide adequate facilities to educational institutions so that they can effectively use technology 4.0 to develop their skills and competencies. Educators need to attend training to learn how to use this advanced technology professionally, according to Lawless and Pellegrino 2007. Educators who integrate technology with new teaching methods acquired through professional training can improve student achievement. Thank you.